Well, hello again, beautiful people. Welcome back to my tasty life. I am making some vegan crab cakes today, and we're going to start off with our dredge, which is going to be consisting of one sleeve of whole grain saltine crackers. Once they have been crushed, then we can start with our base, which is going to be 1 can of hearts of palm, 1 cup of mashed chickpeas, 1 follow your heart vegan egg, 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, and my wet and dry ingredients, which I will include below. So now we just want to combine it all. To get the seafood taste that we're looking for, my dry ingredients include Old Bay seasoning as well as dulse flakes and garlic powder. This is really important, you guys. As for those wet ingredients that I'm going to be using, it's going to be some vegan mayo as well as mustard, and I can't say it very well. I think it's Worcestershire sauce, whatever. And then I used only about half of this vegan egg mixture, just FYI. And from there, you're just going to add in some diced green onions as well as the juice from half of a lemon. And now we stir, which means we are close to the finish line, because once we get everything nicely distributed, we can form these into patties and get ready to fry them. So I just take a plate lined with parchment paper because I will be putting my patties on them. As you can see, I'm just patting them into like burger size, I guess, patties. And I'm going to be putting these into the fridge for about an hour so that they can set once I get them all onto the plate. And voila, here they are. So now I'm just going to go back in and season my crumbs with some Old Bay seasoning, just a bit more, before we coat our crab cakes with that mixture and pat everything in really well on both sides. If they start to fall apart, you definitely want to just make sure you keep shaping them, but this is the finished product. And now I'll refrigerate them for about an hour so that they can set. From here, I have heated up some grape-seed oil and got that up to a medium heat. And once those crab cakes are ready, we just put them in there and fry them up. I mean, it's pretty simple, you guys. As you can see, I didn't do a whole lot of work here. It's a heck of a lot cheaper than buying actual crab, even if you are not a vegan or a vegetarian. So something to consider. And here is the finished product, you guys. I decided to plate my crab cakes along with a simple side salad and pasta. Just to kick things up a notch, I did create a remoulade sauce with some capers, and I also topped it with some green onions for garnish. But I wanted to show you guys another great option, which is my crab cake sandwich that I like to create. Very simple, same ingredients, and I just put this on the bun, and it is so delicious, you guys. It's probably one of my favorite meals. This delicious sandwich goes so great with either potato chips or baked sweet potato fries like I have here. I really hope that you guys do give it a try and stay tuned for more videos like this. But until next time, bye!